Hello viewers and welcome to the channel. Today we start the work on the body of the 936. But before, I would like to tell you something about this. Someone of you told me that there were a channel that give information on how to have more steering angle. I made the modification and now it's easier to drive this car, despite the it has not differential, so when you turn wheels it tends to go straight, not to curve, but with more steering angle, much more better. Let's start the comment, like and subscribe. Let's start the work. The first work that I want to do is this. Here it is quite shining because I painted in silver, but here there's a hole behind and it's quite black. I want to put something like this under, also here, to have it more shining. So I thought to use some pieces of this shining adhesive, this one perhaps, over a piece of this sailing tissue that is black and is perfect for the car. Okay, now I cut a little for these. Okay, something very little, just to close the hole. One and two. Then a piece of tissue. Okay. Better there. Oh wow, better. Without, with. Okay, I do all the other. Done. Better. Close, close, close. Not a very important thing, but in the general look of the car, this could be something that gives more. Now I want the legs of the driver, because here is scattered, it's not nice. So blue after also got a dark line inside, then some, you will see. And now this is dangerous, so the body here, nice new glows, very new. And now mix. This is not a paint, but it's a paste. So better to add some thinner. This is very expensive. I have to find the chemical. This is not petrol, just petrol. Very expensive. Okay, it's enough. A brush, a good brush. You see, these are the brushes in any size I used to sell in my shop. And these are fantastic, the best one. I tried all the other brands, but nothing is like this. If you in your life find these brushes, okay, buy them, they are fantastic. Now I have shitty brushes. Okay, later I see how to. Now I have to let it dry, then we have to paint a little bit of belly up to here with, if it's a little bit darker, it is better because it's lower. I was saying with the seat belts, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and the middle clamp. Then a line straight to divide the legs and some darker lines, always in blue but dark blue, to do the curves of the tissue. How do you say, the pieghe? In Italian we used to say pieghe, and now black here under. Perfect. Next. And now to finish the pilot, I think it's better to undo this part. Okay. This stay here. That up here. This has to dry before turning it upside down to finish the legs of the pilot. And to wash the head of the screws that it is painted in black, this is nitro, not new. You think I've lost my screws? Here they are. Perfect. Yes, perhaps quite good. Not perfect. I'm not very able with brushes and colors, but once inside, okay. And now this. I have it. This is not perfect. But nice. Okay. Then there are some stickers that are no more glue. So even if not in super conditions, I think that it could be nice to leave them like a little bit délabré, as they say in France. Délabré. That means old, scratched, but with the signs of time. For this is sufficient to do this with super glue, and then not with fingers. Perfect. One. Okay. It's quite empty. Oops. These two. I don't know why these stickers are in these conditions, but now they are okay. Oop. Right, 1, 2, 3. Now we can mount the pilot inside. Okay, with legs is a little bit better. You handle the body with the hand or gloves dirt with paint. Then you make fantastic. Perfect. The car is ready for stickers. All the little issues fixed, a little bit better looking. Now, stickers time. But this will be in the next video. The last touch for the pilot is to paint these legs that are very clear and too much on the top. I try to give deepness with this. This is petrol with a little bit of black, 2 layers, and at the end it seems that legs are down, not at the same level of arms. And for today, this is it. Thank you very much for watching. Comment, like and subscribe. Up to the next with stickers. After this the body will be finished and we can dedicate ourselves to the frame and the mechanical part. And that will be very nice. Ciao!